staying calm. Rain came heavy, skies turned to steel. Track got wild, made the legends kneel. Max in the mirror, tires squeal and roar. But Norris ain't a rookie, no, he locked that door. Paddock and all, jaws on the floor. Number 4 shone like never before. Grand Prix master, the crowd went insane. Lando rewriting what it means to race rain. Through Albert Park, he carved his art. Racing lines tight, always playing smart.